Hi everyone. Today's session is all about St. George University certification course. So how to access this particular course? So this is the link. This link will be shared with you. Enroll the course first. Go for the sign in option. Upload your basic details, the full name, and next after completion of sign in process, the creation of the account, you must check your mail to the mail from the St. George University. You will be getting one account activation link. Press on that link, confirm your details, and then log in. This is the first login process for St. George University, USA. Then view course and start course. So you are having the different modules. You have to finish the modules. You can listen the explanations of the different professors, or you can go directly with the next option. But at the end of each module, you can see next option you can choose for every module. But at the end of each module, there will be one assessment test of minimum 2 questions. So you are supposed to finish those 2 questions. Let me share the screen. You can see here. So for every module at the end, you will be having 2 questions minimum. You have to finish this one to get the certificate. So for any question, the answer is yes, and the question number one answer is yes, and number two answer is 3, the numerical value. You can see here, yes and 3. So directly you can use everywhere the S and 3. These are the predefined options. You will get the correct points. For each question, there will be a point. So with the same procedure, you can go with the module 2, module 3, module 4. You can check all the modules for it. Yes. Go for the next option. Yes, S and 3, as you can see on the screen. So after completion of all the modules, I think nearly about 9 to 10 are present. And please verify that you are entering all the modules. You are attending all the modules and the answers are S and 3. So at the end of the session, automatically, yes, no need to register for any panel, live panel discussion. Survey, yes, you must fill up this particular survey, yes, which you are able to see on the screen. It is must. Go for the selection. And please verify all modules exams you are giving. The survey verification, you can keep S everywhere, and the numerical value is 3. Now, once you have done with the modules, all the modules, then only you are able to see. So fine, go to the progress. So how to get the certificate? After completion of all the modules, you have to check the progress. If you have completed all the modules with writing the assessment test only, if you click on the progress, you will get this tab, request certificate, or else you will not get this one. You have to retake the examination once again. So listen carefully and follow. So request certificate, click on that one, view certificate. This is the performance graph of everyone. So then automatically the certificate you are able to see. St. George University, this is the course, this is the certificate. Okay. So now today's session, along with this St. George University, let me share the sports related one also from the government of India. Let me share the screen. The second certification. So this link will be given to you. See, it is with respect to Indian Olympics. Right now, due to the lockdown, we are so fortunate that online quiz competitions are being held to get the certificate, and physical competition they will plan accordingly. So now, what is the theme here? You can see original team Indian. Yeah. So this particular examination is all about 10 questions, 120 seconds. So every participant will get the certificate. So once you press on start the quiz, See, okay, quiz will be started. You can give your own answers. Questions will vary from one person to person. If you are giving the wrong questions also, it doesn't matter. Participation certificate will be given. And the top winners will get the t-shirts from this particular competition, lucky winners. So if you press on the start quiz, you are able to fill up your details, name, everything, basic details, then go for the start quiz. So immediately you can give the objective type answers from the Google search or of your own. Okay, so you will be getting the certificate from the government, Sports Authority of India. Let me share that certificate, how it looks. Yeah, this is what the certificate. So better you mention your college name also as a surname, or else go with your name. See, Sports Authority of India, SAI, is Sports Authority of India, Indian Olympics logo, this one. So you will get the participation certificate to the every participant who is taking the examination automatically. So let us move to the third certification course. So which is from the Rural Development of India. So let us share. Yes. So all these courses for the day only, they are free, as we got experience with British Council of India, where we could not get the certificate for free of cost. It was accessed only for 1 hour. So here also today it works. Gram Swaraj, you can see Rural Development of India, the government logo. So this is the link. So first you are supposed to go for the registration process. So which course we are highlighting? It is on biodiversity. So again, assessment test will be given. So first, after selection of the course, okay, so you must enter your details to write the assessment test. So go for the basic registration. So login process. If you are new, go for the create new account and fill up your details, the basic details, username, password. This is a basic registration. Organization, college name you can write. Okay, Aadhaar number, everything is mandatory here because of the government certification. So university, colleges, organization, others, others can follow. You can use your own terminology over there. So fill up your basic details. So after going for the basic registration process, account will be created, then login. Yes, here also very important that in the last name you enter your college name. See here, I'm just uploading university details, but you mention your college name as we have discussed in the earlier sessions. Okay, in the bracket in shortcut manner. So create my account. So after creating the account, once again you can go for the assessment test of that course. See here we are showing. So biodiversity course, you can listen the explanation, and examination is important. So here we are sharing the assessment test, which is very important to get the certificate. Yes. If the answers are wrong, you'll never get the certificate. You can see 10 questions. This is the important stage of the video. Yes, how to download the certificate. After completion of the examination, proceed next to my courses. You'll be having the dashboard. Okay, you spend certain time in this website. Here is your profile. So my courses, you'll see your course name. Scroll down and check whether you have done all the uh, sessions. Assessment. You check your assessment. Directly assessment test we can take without listening the explanations. The quiz is finished. Okay. So certificate. So in the assessment, post assessment, yes, check for 100% complete course certificate. Click on that one. Get your certificate. Slowly you go with this process. Click on get your certificate. Your certificate. Yes, you can see on the screen with rural. This is very important. National. So when you apply for any government job or else any type of job also in future, and every individual should have this government related certificate in National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj. So this is the certificate. Yeah. The last certification course for this today's session is all about. Let me share the link. Again, in the Indian Olympics, you can see in the side here, it is related to the sports. So, Government of India, you can see it, the Niti Aayog. So, International Olympic, yes, International Olympic Associations. So, this link will be given to you. You are supposed to take the pledge. Just fill up your details. You are going to get the certificate for this one. Let me show you the basic certificate, how it looks. Yes. So you mentioned as a student the category, not as a coach for this one. So this is the basic certificate, the government of India.